Why bother maintaining your cutting board? Your cutting board is made of wood, which means it's porous, and porous things absorb odors and absorb bacteria. Bad! So, the best way to fend off that bacteria and those nasty odors is with an oil. There are lots of options out there, but make sure whatever you choose a food-safe oil like linseed oil, which is what I have. There's no big secret to how to apply the oil other than just to wipe it on. Just make sure that the cutting board becomes saturated. That means front and back. Just oiling my board. This is not a once and done process. Eventually you're gonna have to re-oil it, and that depends on how often you use it. But the things to look out for are blotchiness on the board and cracks. Cracks harbor bacteria. Once you have cracks between the pieces, it's time to throw it away and get a new one. I'm gonna let it sit out for about 24 hours and absorb before using it. Now that my cutting board is protected and dry, I can safely use it the right way to cut some chicken for my barbecue. Although I should have a sharper knife. Chicken strips.